Hey there, YouTube. On this video, we're doing a quick little demo of how to record Twitter Spaces audio, with permission, of course, to using Audio Hijack. I've got my coffee, so let's go. So up until recently, Twitter Spaces was only available on the iPhone, and so it was a little difficult to record the audio from that, as well as speaking into these spaces. And so what I'm going to demo here quickly is just how to record the spaces. So this would be ideally someone else who isn't on the call, who isn't supposed to be speaking on the call, would record it. Although they could, if they wanted to, use their phone still to speak into it. But just for the purposes of like maybe a public talk that you're giving, you might have a friend who would record it for you. This is how they could do that using Audio Hijack. So in Audio Hijack, it's a fairly simple configuration. I happen to be using Edge, Microsoft Edge for a browser, but you, of course, could be using Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Opera, maybe. I don't know if that's still around. So we're going to choose the source as Edge, your browser. Then let's grab a menu meter, throw that in there just to make sure that we can see how it's doing. We're also going to grab just a volume meter, so if we need to, for some reason, we can crank the audio up. And then, of course, we're going to record it. We'll leave it at that, but you can change it to whatever format and style you'd like. I always prefer high quality AAC, but if this is just for, or actually what I really prefer is, where am I here? There. Uncompressed AAFF or lossless, whichever. That's generally my preference. Just start with the highest quality possible. And then I might need to throw it to an output device as well if I'm listening. In this case, the ScreenFlow that's recording this, but normally I would choose maybe my Scarlett USB device just so I could hear it. Now, if I wanted to also capture my own audio, like if I'm speaking into the spaces, then I would need to also capture from a device, get it away from there. So in this case, my microphone, I've got, I just need channel 1. And similarly here, we can do a volume. I have my mic adjustments obviously, but just for simplicity's sake, so I can do it all in Audio Hijack. I like to have recorders for each track so that I can adjust them later if I need to. Compressed AFF, and then again, if I want to be able to hear it. What I like about throwing these on here, even if I don't know that I need them, because sometimes I hear it anyways because I have a monitor running on my headphones from my microphone. While it's running, I can always just quickly turn it on and off. So it's there, but I can just quickly turn it on and off if I need it. So that's the Audio Hijack setup. Now I need to actually have a Twitter space to listen to. Unfortunately, it's hard to find Twitter spaces right now on the web. On the desktop or on the mobile browser, it's a little easier. But I'm just going to put my headphones on just so I don't get too confused about where audio is going. So on my phone, actually, I'm going to start a space just to test this out. So let's start that. Some folks might join and connect. And so let's see. Seems to be working. I'm going to share it to my MacBook Pro. So there, I'm going to join the space. I'm going to share it. So now I can hear the space. To my MacBook Pro. It's a little bit delayed. But I could go back to Audio Hijack space and turn it on. Start recording. So now I'm going to talk into my phone and just doing a demo of it here. It's a little loud. So now obviously I don't need that on. I would be hearing this, I wouldn't necessarily be listening to this as I'm recording it. I would just listen to it on the phone and just set this up, record it, forget it. Because now if I hit stop, so now if I go back to my recordings and to recordings today, I can play this back. Hear the space, but I could go back to audio. I think I should have named it properly because this is the actual a demo of it here. Sounds good. So obviously it would record everybody. And you wouldn't get individual tracks for everybody. If there was 10 people on the call who joined the space and started talking with you, or 1 or 2, they'd all be on one track. So you're limited in that sense as far as how it's recorded. But that's an easy way to record a Twitter Space now that they've opened it up to listening on the web. You can't talk if you're joining a Twitter Space in a browser as of yet. I'm sure that's coming. Maybe by the time I hit publish on this video, it'll be available. But that's how it works. If you're doing a space and want to try something out, or you're just messing around with this, hit me up on Twitter. I'm iChris on Twitter. You can see I'm actually on a sabbatical for the month of June, so I might not see it right now, depending on when you watch this video. But if later on you want some help in troubleshooting a Twitter Spaces audio issue, feel free to tweet at me at iChris. And like I've mentioned in previous videos, I have lemonaudio.club is where you can come and join the Discord, where we can chat about further in deeper depths that are deeper, audio issues, video issues, live streaming, all that kind of fun stuff. And we'll do that all in our Discord. And I previously had it as a fee, or you had to join a newsletter. Now I'm just saying, like, let's just come and chat. That's the way the kids are doing it. So why should I be any different? So feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, of course. Thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment down below if you have questions for more details and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.